Is sharing the love of Jesus that will make this world the peaceful place we want it to be. One of the most popular podcasters, Simon Sinek, says there are two types of laws: those laws that are made by man and those laws that are made by God. And not until the two of them are the same will the world be a peaceful place. I rarely mention movies. In fact, I never have in this video series. But today I want to talk about the movie that just came out called The Jesus Revolution. It's the story of the evangelist Chuck Smith and Greg Laurie. I've been following them for years. And it's a story of the movement in the 70s that was often referred to as the Jesus Freaks. Ironically, one member of my family was part of that movement and got lots of pushback from members of the family. She's in heaven now, and I'm quite sure that she's smiling down. If you are feeling discouraged about the state of the world, and especially about the younger generation in it, then I highly encourage you to see this movie, because it speaks the truth. In the laws that the church has created, many of those laws are, and I use the word church meaning the organized church, it's been the laws of man, not the laws of God. And in this movie, we see that it is only the laws of God, that is, sharing the love of Jesus, that will make this world the peaceful place we want it to be. I hope you'll take a look and share it with the people you know who are feeling discouraged.